Sometimes, life takes us back to where it all began. This is the Cape Elizabeth Lighthouse, often referred to as Two Lights in Cape Elizabeth, Maine. For over 2 centuries, it has stood as a steadfast beacon of safety and hope. This place holds a special chapter in my story. It was the first home I knew, the first place where I saw the ocean, felt the magic of the snow, and truly felt what it meant to call a place home. But like so many, I left, following a path that took me far away from the place I once called home. Along the way, I found success, adventure, and growth, yet something was always missing. You see, this place has a way of staying with you, sticking to you like honey on your fingers. Its charm, its kindness, and the memories woven into every corner of its landscape. And so, we are coming back to the warmth of its people, the timeless beauty of its coastline. Join us as we share the journey and celebrate what it means to return to the place that shaped me. This is more than just a move for us. It's a journey of love, loss, transformation, and a lot of trial and error, breathing new life into land filled with my family's history. Join us as we peel back the layers, share the stories, and create a space that feels like home again.
All right, standing outside. So you can see not really a driveway per se. Kind of shrouded in trees, but yeah, this just gives you a sense for how densely wooded this is. I mean, really on all sides. Landscaping totally overgrown. All right. But that being said, it's the siding. I mean, the siding actually looks like it's in decent shape. It's all vinyl siding. The garage roof, this is toast. It's all asphalt shingles. The main house, you have a metal roof, but clearly it's was improperly installed because there's plenty of leaks everywhere. And this is the kind of landscaping behind, but you can see this is all just trees. Okay, so walking in the side door. So downstairs, it's essentially a shell. I mean, you've got some insulation, rim joists are all insulated, stud bays are, but water's clearly gotten in here over the years, so. All right, you have plumbing stack right here. It's kind of odd how it sticks out so far. Not ideal. So down here, you've got some roughed in plumbing, a couple floor drains here, looks like some water supply lines, but this is just all toast. This all needs to be pulled out. All right, heading up to first floor. Kitchen is absolutely toast. All needs to be demoed. Lots of leaks. So ceiling needs to be replaced. You're kind of a funky space. It's small. You've just got a really small living room, dining room. Just everything's coated in mold and rough shape. Really needs to be just gotta take it out of the studs, rebuild footprint. It's quirky. I mean, it's not a conventional setup, so not ideal in that respect.
Monday, December 16th. The roof is going on starting later today, tomorrow. Just doing a property scan. Drone scanning in progress. It's out there somewhere. That arrow indicates the drone flying, taking pictures. Whole thing will take about 22 minutes. There she is. Mission complete. Here's the kit that I flew with to do our aerial mapping of the entire property. Our part of the property spans about, 14 and a half, almost 15 acres. Lumber was dropped off this morning, as well as the dumpster. Yeah, we got some trash to go through. Really excited to get this new roof put on because I guess I might need to take video with the drone to get it, but she needs some help. She's a little old girl. We're super excited to start this project. It means a lot to our family and where we're headed and our goals. Meter is on. Thank you, Tito. And Don and Will singing you good graces over at the permits department. Oh yeah, there it is. I've got an urban garden growing up there unintentionally. The backyard is pretty cool. It's pretty wide and open, lots of space. Hopefully one day we'll have it decked out a little. Some room for a pool if we wanted, but I don't know. That'll probably come in time. Here's the rear view. This is Dad's old garden. Definitely a big motif for where we're headed next after we get this house done. If I sound weird, it's because it's freaking cold. But yeah, we're super excited to get this roof done. Cannot wait to get the UTV and start on this project. Clearing out this area, making paths through the woods. Stops about there for now. One day at a time, right? Before heading out, I'm gonna clear out this pumpkin stuff that I had set up here to make the house look a little homely. Homely for Dad. But it isn't the fall harvest anymore. And these are frozen solid. This is gonna be fun. Here we are. The place to be. The Kittery Trading Post.
Your destination is on the right.
Ready for all the outdoor excitement. Here we are in Kennebunkport. They're fully decorated for Christmas. Yes, those are clamshells, zip tied to the reeds. Looks like Santa's working in the clam shack. Walking around downtown, weather's super nice. Welcome to Kennebunkport. Don't forget to shop small. Little PSA, small business is really the backbone of everything nice that you have in your local market. Go out there and support them, especially for the holiday season. Heading back to the truck so I can put the drone in the air, get some shots of the downtown space. Super quiet today, but maybe that's just how it is here. I don't know. I'm sure I'll get used to it though. A true icon, just had to visit. Surf looks like it could kill you today. Hey Nubble. We got internet going in today. Beautiful day. New roof going on. Good morning, Old Orchard Beach. Got some really cool shots of the sunrise today. The sun was hiding behind those big clouds, but she came out finally to play. It's freezing, in case you're wondering. Flew the drone around a bit, got some really cool footage of the pier here. Sorry if I'm delayed in speech, it's frigid. But completely worth it. Super low tide today. Other local photographers out here in the morning trying to get that perfect twilight shot. It's a cold December day at the beach, but a day at the beach is always awesome. There she comes. Good morning, Old Orchard. Northern beach town in the off season. It's cold and really icy. Walking around here today to get some asset photography, use on the website, kind of show visual content about the place that we're going to be. I'm ready to get into the car. It's really cold. Demolition. It's demo day, so I thought I'd just do a little walkthrough to show y'all what's going on. This used to be the kitchen. Obviously a work in progress. These will be bedrooms. Gotta get that hole fixed. Beautiful view of the backyard from up here. Spilled the beans.
Careful.
Okay, thank you. A little bit of upgrades needed. Take you out through the basement. Not much has happened here yet. This is going bye-bye. We're gonna save the stove down here. Not sure for where we'll put it, but it's definitely an antique. These stairs are gonna get relocated from here to this wall over here. We're gonna move the front door, which was around there, to this area right next to the stairs. So entry is gonna be here. At least that's what we think for now, according to our contractor. Really looking forward to these changes. Next time we come back, it'll be super different. Peace.
So here we are. Till the next time. Bye.